Hello everybody, welcome back to Kantan Food by Satoshi. Did you watch our Tabieats Holiday Care Package video? If you haven't watched it, please watch before watching this video. It's important. From here. In that video, I promised I will make something using that care package ingredients. So today, I'm gonna be making Ochazuke. It's very simple. Let's get started. All the ingredients which I use today is included in that box, but please prepare by yourself rice and water. In the pot, pour 400 milliliter of water and turn on the heat. Okay, it is boiling. So here, this is a dashi package from Ninben. Put this one into this pot and boil 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes passed. Turn off the heat, open the lid, and your beautiful dashi stock is ready. Take this pack out. Then transfer this beautiful dashi into your favorite tea server. You can use coffee server, tea server. This one is my Japanese tea server. Next, I'm gonna be making onigiri rice bowl. So, here is rice. And here, I put this one, chirimen sanshou. This one is also included in Tabieats Holiday Care Package. Open it. And take some and put into rice. As much as you want. Like this. And blend well. Rice amount, it's also as much as you want. And here, you can put leftover dashi too. Today I don't do that, but you can put the leftover dashi stock, dashi powder inside of this rice. Okay, it is mixed. Then take this into your hand. So before put rice on your hand, put some water on your palm to prevent from stickiness. Like this. Have you ever molded onigiri rice bowl yet? I like onigiri rice bowl molding. It's a kind of healing. You want a bigger one? Oh, you want a bigger one? Yep. Okay, I will use all. I will use all of this rice bowl, rice. I will make this onigiri rice bowl. The shape is triangle, but don't worry. You can make it as round style too, and mold tightly, because I will pour dashi over this rice. So put this into your favorite bowl like this. And here I sprinkle this Nikko Yuba chips. This one is deep fried Yuba chips from Nikko. So inside is like this. Like it's deep fried chips. And crush a little bit and put on the rice. And that's all. I will season on the table. So, serve on the table. And here, I pour this Ishigakijima Rayu. So shake well before pour. This one is really tasty. It's flavorful. So pour, do not so much, little bit. And also, soy sauce. Heisei soy sauce from Fundodai. As much as you want, but I don't pour so much. Just a little bit. Okay, like this. And here, pour dashi stock, dashi, over this rice. Okay, your ochazuke is ready. いただきます。I wanna sip this dashi first a little bit. It's good dashi. Good dashi. So, before eating, I recommend break this rice bowl a little bit because I pour soy sauce and rayu on top of this rice bowl. So, break a little bit and take. いただきます。It's simple, but this rayu enhance umami and the little bit saltiness of 山椒、ちりめん山椒 little bit ピリッと kick. And soy sauce, this soy sauce has sweetness, not only saltiness, so it's blended it very nicely combined with this rayu and dashi flavor. So good. And the yuba texture, it's also good. The on top part, it's still retained crispiness. Texture balance good, flavor balance good. It's simple but tasty. I made most of all ingredients in that holiday care package except tea. Of course, you can pour tea over this ochazuke because this one is ochazuke. Ochazuke is ocha means tea, so you can pour tea and dashi both. So all in one. So hope you guys enjoyed today's my dinner diary. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and let us know what you thought in the comment below. What did you make with our holiday care package ingredients? I want to know. Please let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye and subscribe.